Hello, welcome to the Health 2.0 conference in Las Vegas, Nevada 2025. My name is B, and I'm here with.
Hi, this is Srivani Singaraju.
And what organization you're representing today?
I am representing Qubit Wellness Pharmacy. It's located in Silicon Valley, California, Sunnyvale.
Can you tell us more about it?
Yeah, I'm the CEO and founder. I'm a pharmacist. I'm a medication therapy management provider. I'm also a birth control prescriber. So if somebody needs any hormonal control pill, I don't like to call it birth control,
Yes.
it's a hormonal control pill. Let's rename it today. And I'm a prescriber. So if somebody needs it, they can just walk in at their privacy, at their convenience. No need to wait in long lines. Just get the prescription, have a direct consultation with healthcare provider. We are also a pharmacy network. Think of us like a mobile platform for pharmacy services. We are also scaling up at concierge level, which means we go home. We bring pharmacy to the customers. We advocate and bridge the gap between the doctors and patients. We make sure, we help patients navigate. We advocate their needs, their cultural needs to the physicians. We help physicians pick out the right medications, not just be afraid of insurance hurdles or patient cultural background. So Qubit Wellness has been founded in 2020, 2021, and since last 3 years we scaled up and we have 300 Google positive
Oh, wow. Well,
reviews.
I'm happy to hear that.
Yeah, it's a testament for our dedication and work. So we use all the AI help so that the real healthcare providers are there for patients when they need it.
Oh, okay.
Patients are already tired waiting in the doctor's offices, waiting for prescriptions, not understanding. So we try to bring the human element so they can focus on the real factor, which is taking care of their health.
And if someone was asking you for advice to give someone wanting to follow your footsteps, what would you say to them?
Absolutely. Healthcare is the missing. A lot of healthcare providers are needed right now. It's getting complex. Patients are confused. They need a certified, proper healthcare providers trained in helping them, easing their, situation. So, absolutely. If you're passionate about taking care of, somebody's health, solving problems, being there and knowing pharmacokinetics, pharmacodynamics, this is the place. Pharmacy is gateway to healthcare. We are like the nucleus in the humongous network of healthcare. So pharmacy, I really enjoy. All the 300 Google testaments show that what I'm doing, and it always fuels me to do more.
And how do you feel about getting your award?
Oh, it's amazing, splendid. I was in shock first, but we pharmacists don't usually get rewarded. We always get angry patients.
Well, I'm glad that you got an award. Congratulations.
Yes, we know COVID has shown how important pharmacists are. So we mobilized a lot of COVID vaccines. So this award means a lot. Thanks to my parents giving good schooling, or my brothers that have so much faith in me, or my children who always push me. So
Aw.
this is dedicated to them.
And how's the experience been for you for the conference?
Splendid, Universal. I'm very excited to be among this great, brilliant minds. I'm always fortunate to be among them, learn from them. I'm like a Superman. I feel like I absorb energy, from others and learn. The learning curve is always there. You're never an expert. There's always some tool to learn. There's always some key element to learn. So this platform is giving me so many things, I can use when I go
agree.
back to work and make my patients and my doctors' life easier. So thanks, Health 2.0. This is
And
great.
one more question. What do you have a platform where they can reach out to you?
Yes. Qubitwellness.com, or I can give you my contact. Just type in qubit. Qubits means quantum particles. I believe healthcare, preventative care at quantum level. As a pharmacist, I know heat and every molecule, how they impact at cellular level. That's why I named my pharmacy Qubits. You must be hearing qubits a lot in AI these days, right? So qubitwellness.com.
Follow her, and I hope to see you on the next convention. It's in December in Dubai, and then we have another one in Singapore and another one in Las Vegas again.
Yes, I'm truly looking forward to it. Thank you so much
Thank
for having
you.
me. Thank you.